continued south from Pula, making stops to enjoy the beautiful clear water and charming villages. You want to go? Hey, if you want, you could go. Here we go.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Our next deadline was picking up friends in Split, so we were trying to maximize the time in the less populated northern part of the country while making sure we had enough time to get to Split. How are we doing up here, Cap?
Great. Hello. It is Father's Day. And we had an amazing morning, midday, on a tiny island. So I just checked the weather this morning and complete change from last night. So we are going to experience our first Bura wind here in Croatia. We were going to move down 15 to 20 miles today and get into the park. But since we have such a great spot here, we just moved Hangtime up closer to the wall. We wanted to be on a mooring ball instead of the wall, just so we don't have driving winds and rain and stuff just coming right into our salon area. So we can still be outside during it. Showing some thunder activity, winds in the 40s. Yeah, they're coming around 2 o'clock this afternoon, so guess we'll see what it's all about here. I think we're pretty safe. I'm just going to dive down the mooring ball in a couple hours here. Maybe get a leaf oil in. Do a hike here this morning, get some food, shopping. There are some restaurants here. It's a cute little town. So we could use a little bit of work on the landscaping, but
Got all the olive trees in the front yard.
how noisy they are.
I know. Look at these slits. There's like a separate stone wall built for each boat. That's some serious protection right there.
Chains at the front of it. They almost need it because they're wide open to these storms. Like, we found where the car ferry comes in.
We've got the calm before the storm. We're getting some weather coming in today, so we're safely on a mooring. I think we have lots of protection, but we think we're going to get winds up to 40 knots and probably some thunder and lightning. So hopefully it goes easy on us. Thunder has just started. And Brad is into a project. Figured he'd use the downtime. He's trying to run the Starlink line so it is more concealed. He has to put in a new outlet to do it, so he's in it.
That's made a blue one on the ground there. That's made a blue one on the ground. Instead, we have liftoff.
So fancy. So good. The bad weather amounted to nothing. It passed to the south of us, so we kind of hung out here all afternoon looking for protection that we didn't even need. But at least I got a project out of Brad. We got the plug done.
I did get a plug done.
It's really scary. The wind just came out of nowhere. Well, we knew it was coming, but it was just like the most calm, beautiful night. I was out on the subboard and like you just heard it just roar, and then holy, it was upon us. It was crazy. Everything was flying everywhere. We hit 46 knots of wind. So we're on a mooring and safe, but we're anchored like a few feet from the shore. So I don't really like the wind blowing us this way.
We thought the whole time the wind is coming from the other direction.
Apparently later it's going to switch, and it will come from the other direction, so I'd rather go this way while it's bright out and we're awake. But I still don't love this situation.
See, the wind has shifted like 170 degrees and now we're getting like a big roll. There's a point that we're at, lightning off in the distance. We're protected from right around this edge here all the way along. But it's amazing how the wraparound swell is that big. So right here there's hardly any wind, but it's probably blowing over 30 knots.
This shore looks a lot friendlier this morning than it did last night. And it felt like we were about 8 feet from those rocks.
Oh, we probably were 8 feet from those rocks.
I thought we were going to take that tree down.
Yeah, I have never seen wind come up like that before across the water. And the gust of wind that you saw coming was just like a pure sheet. And you saw it across the water coming, but TC said it was like almost ghost-like. But you knew it was like way stronger than any other wind you saw. So later we reported 46 knots. I wouldn't be so surprised if that was in the 60 knot gust range when it initially hit.
The first one, you
The
think?
first one. It was so powerful. Like you couldn't stand outside and it was just blowing you. But we're too busy trying to secure everything down as well as the other boats
I've never seen anything like it.
before getting a video for that particular episode. But wish we did have a video now of it.
That's the last thing I could do. Scared. Ja?
Need help? Yeah. Help.
and inviting, but yikes, it's chilly.
I called her in.
Oh.
She was on the paddleboard. Wasn't sure about swimming and couldn't resist.
Oh man, no, that's good. Oh,
Give-
Ruby would freak if we put her in right now.
Give it a few minutes and it's perfect.
It's lovely, it's refreshing, but it's cold. We're making miles through Kornati National Park. It's beautiful. There's not a lot of vegetation, but the structure of the islands and the way you can see the striations of the rocks through is super cool. And also you can see these rock fences that must have been built hundreds of years ago, and they're enormous. They're going right up with the sides of these mountains, so they must have been how they divided land back in the day. Anyway, it's a lovely day. We were hoping we'd get Charlie out e-foiling around here, but he's opted out for the moment, so we're just taking it all in. Cap's hard at it back there. So we need a new chain. We're getting a new chain today, and we're trying to figure out.
Getting my birthday present today. 10mm DIN 466 stainless steel chain.
What dreams are made of. Birthday dreams are made of.
It's gonna be so hot sitting up front.
So yeah, we're on anchor trying to figure out how to get the new chain on and the old chain off. Kind of just talking through it.
We thought there'd be balls here if there's a mooring ball that we could attach to in this harbor, but I do not see any at the moment. So we can go check to see if we can get a spot at a fuel dock or a dock or somewhere at the marina.
I have my navigator with me to go get this new chain. Very exciting day. Can you curl that? One hand. Come on. Atta boy! The stuff that says that they don't know.
Can I just say how nice it is having competent crew? We pulled over to this dock so we can switch out the anchor, and just, the boys are so helpful. They're so good at it. I just love it when we make it look easy, even though we all know it's not. Oh, but Charlie got a cut on his finger. Are you okay?
I don't know how that happened.
Owie. But yeah.
Go. Okay, next step. We have two chains in the boat. We loaded the chain up out there while we were at anchor. Now we'll drop the old chain into the tender, take the anchor off, and then put anchor on the new chain, and then feed the new chain through the windlass and pull the whole thing into the well.
Sun shower.
Charlie! This looks so cool! Today is finally the day to replace our water heater. So as you can see, super rusty. It's been leaking. And what I just saw, part of the reason it's been leaking is that the hose clamps are completely rusted. If you see those. So there's actually, there's no tension clamping force on those, so it was just held on by the actual nozzle. Main reason is that the anode to be able to go in here, the water heater, stopped working after the second year, and a whole bunch of rusting came out of the tank. It's down in sediment, it's down at the bottom now. Yeah, it seems a little heavy. I think I have this thing connected properly. In the instruction, it showed this valve right here, the pressure valve release, after our mixer, but I couldn't not get this thing off. And if I tried any harder, I'm worried about breaking something inside, so it should be fine that way. Nice, put this thing in. Definitely lighter than the other one. That should do it.
We had an extra day in Split and decided to go up the mountain rafting. Rapids were mellow, but it was so peaceful up there and super fun to try something a little bit different. This is Charlie's Mediterranean diet right here.
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. 10%.
It's not fair. Ready? 10%.
Let's see.
First time?
Not really. Like fifth.
Fifth, okay.
Basically first.
Ah,
But yeah, it would be great.
okay, leave him. Let's go.
Let's roll. It was only that weight anyways. So.
Exactly. You said it.
Just keep an eye on the weeds for a minute.
I thought this is gonna be the hard part. It was not what I expected.
Right down the middle of that. Down, Ben, down, Ben.
You asked for it backwards.
That's protected. That's perfect. Okay, let's get them wet.
No.
Nazad. Naprit. Naprit. Right side back. Right back. All forward. Nazad malo. Naprit. Stop. Watch out. Up. Alright, right side forward.
Oh, we should have been filming you two. We did you two on